I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream to cover cake. Start with chilled cream and equipment, then measure ingredients precisely. Combine heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla in the cold bowl and begin whipping at medium speed. Watch texture closely and stop at soft to medium peaks for spreadable cream. Taste and adjust sweetness. Keep whipped cream cold until assembly to maintain stability and smooth finish. In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream to cover cake. Start by dripping cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl and whip at medium speed to build body slowly. Once it thickens, raise speed to medium-high and watch for soft to medium peaks that hold but still move. Taste and stop whipping immediately when peaks form to prevent graininess. Use gentle folding motions when adding stabilizers or extracts to preserve air. In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream to cover cake. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for marathon baking sessions. They stay cozy while you whip, spread, and decorate, which is a silly but real upgrade. If you want the pair I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream to cover cake. Start by choosing a stabilizer based on texture needs and shelf life. Dissolve gelatin or sprinkle cornstarch, or gently fold in mascarpone to increase firmness while preserving lightness. Add stabilizers cold and incorporate slowly so you do not deflate the cream. Test a small amount on a plate to confirm firmness before coating the entire cake to ensure a smooth, even finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.